Someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 10th of March. I'm James Spann. Beautiful today, but some big midweek changes. Now, let's take a look at the big picture. Water vapor satellite view this morning. Closed upper low over Mexico. Those can be forecast challenges, but we think that will be lifting out, producing some rain by tomorrow night and Wednesday morning, and then phasing with the northern branch system, pulling down colder air by Wednesday and Thursday. Today, we're starting off the day in the 40s and 50s. Got the usual big spread from 41 at Fort Payne to 56 at the Shelby County Airport. But everybody should be at or just over 70 today. That'll be nice. And look at that. The cold air pretty much scoured out around the nation. The only really cold air left is up in the northern tip of New England. But it will come back. Don't even think about putting away the winter clothes. We all know we can have some pretty good cold snaps deep into the month of April, and this is just March 10th. On the watch warning map, winter storm watches in effect for parts of the northeast United States, some fog issues around Shreveport down to Lake Charles, and winter storm warnings for parts of Montana and Idaho. Other than that, things are pretty quiet. And the rain through Saturday morning. This is hinting rain amounts of about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, not that much, and again, that will be coming in here beginning tomorrow night into Wednesday. Take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the global forecast system, valid at noon today at 500 millibars. You can see how the feature in Mexico is lifting out into Texas. But down below that, we'll enjoy a great day. The GFS printing a high of 72, sounds about right, with a good supply of sunshine. Just gorgeous. Tomorrow, our feature to the west brings rain to the Louisiana coast during the day. Rain may be affecting Mobile by afternoon, but our weather during the day should be dry, and it will be the warmest day, perhaps, so far this year. The GFS printing 76, the NAM at 77. Wow. But clouds will thicken late in the day, and then this is tomorrow night at midnight. You can see the northern branch system producing rain north of us, and our feature that came out of Mexico producing rain over the southern half, but I think inevitably it rains here as the two systems phase. Now, this is the high-res NAM, and it's actually trying to bring in rain as early as 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. And it's considerably faster than the global models, but sometimes it does a better job. And out of respect to that, we might consider a small chance of a shower late tomorrow afternoon. Still, the bulk of the day should be dry, but we'll certainly introduce a chance of rain tomorrow night. And then really, this is 6 o'clock Wednesday morning, and the rain continues over East Alabama, but it's starting to wind down. So could be our best chance of rain with this thing, maybe about 9 o'clock tomorrow night until 6, 7 o'clock Wednesday morning. And then during the day Wednesday, you can see the very deep surface low that is just west of Washington, D.C., as phasing continues, 991 millibars. And that will be a windy and colder day. Get the idea, the temperatures will fall. We might be around 60 at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, but we fall through the 50s, and parts of North Alabama could wind up in the 40s by late Wednesday afternoon. Very strong north winds of 15 to maybe 30 miles an hour. That'll be a very windy day with falling temperatures. And then Thursday, as we clear out, the morning is going to be cold. The GFS printing 29 for Birmingham. So a sub-freezing morning is likely to start the day. And then the high Thursday will be only in the 50s despite a sunny sky. This is Friday. The weather stays dry. We should see low to mid-60s as we start to warm up. Friday morning will be pretty cold, maybe another freeze. And this is Saturday as we kick off the weekend, kind of an energetic southern stream, and down below that moisture comes back, and there's evidence that we could see some rain at times on Saturday, and really the same thing on Sunday. So a deep moisture pool. Mentioned a chance of showers Saturday and Sunday. Doesn't mean it's going to rain all weekend long, but it could rain at any time. And highs should be in the 60s on both days with a cloudy sky. And here's Monday. A surface low forms down there below Apalachicola. And still some risk of showers maybe Monday morning, but that thing will organize and lift northeast and should pull the moisture out of here by early next week. Let's check the end of the forecast. What do you say? March 25th. You can see troughing west of the state. That looks kind of wet. But again, the good news, through the next 15 days, we see at this point no evidence of any major severe weather problems, and we see no threats of any winter weather problems with snow or ice here, and that's good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.